Hey guys, what's going on? Coming to you with another video here today. So before I get started, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below. It's real simple, just hit that like button. It really makes me want to keep making these videos for you guys. So I want to try, this video is posting Wednesday morning. I really want to try to hit 100 subscribers by next Wednesday. So I think I'm at like 55 right now or 56. So if we could double up in a week, that'd be awesome. So if you could just grab this video and maybe share with one friend or just hit subscribe, tell them just to subscribe or check the channel out, much appreciated. So I appreciate it so much. So let me get started here. So this is my first video, my true first video of me starting a new position on YouTube. So obviously I've been investing for a couple of years now. I have my big 4 growth stocks this year that I track every week, and then I do a monthly overview at the end of every month, obviously. So this is my first true one I just started a brand new position with. So it's called Trulieve. So this is an MJ stock. Ticker is TCNNF. So if you want to research it, it's that. This stock is not available on Robinhood. I know that for a fact. I know it's a big one that a lot of people use. I use Ameritrade. I know it's on Fidelity. I don't know if it's on Webull or not. I doubt it's on Webull, but it's on Fidelity and TD Ameritrade. I do know that. So this is the ticker. And really, I'm not going to make a video of what made me change my mind. I did make a video on Trulieve last week or the week prior. I did make one why I do like the company, but I didn't start a position. So with that said, I officially bought a couple days, like yesterday, whenever this video comes, it was like within like a day or two. So I did officially make a starting position. So if you haven't watched my channel, which I'm sure some of you guys just starting to watch this or just seeing this video right now, I am a long-term investor. That's kind of the investing approach I take. That's what I personally like. I love growth stocks. I feel like they're exciting. They're a little more risk reward, than like dividends and, value stocks, I guess. So this is definitely a growth stock. So yeah, without getting into detail why I did, I'll make another video. I guess tomorrow I'll put it up or say like why I really did it. But let's just get into where I bought, where it is today, where I like the pricing at, which is I do every single video whenever I buy stock. I like making it very simple, especially if you're just starting stocks or learning. I make a love, still buy and hold. So that's kind of what the guideline I go off of when I buy stocks, or that's what I do at least. And I'll tell you where my numbers are so that way you can save them or write them down or whatever. So Trulieve, it's an MJ stock. Cost base, 43.49 is my cost base. So how I do it and how I recommend doing it is I build a position and I buy between 3 and 10 times. I know that's very vague, but it depends on how much I put down the first time and what the stock is doing and where it's going. If the stock runs massively, I really don't go big when I cost up. If the stock drops massively, that's when I'll buy it 5 to 10 times and then cost down, double down, like try to do something like that. So then you build a nice position with a nice cost base. And you may ask, okay, well, I bought it at 43.49. It closed today at 42.43. Yeah, I'm down like maybe 1% or something like that, like whatever. But you may ask like, why didn't you just wait to this or why didn't you do that? Well, the thing is like, tomorrow the stock could run 5, 6, 7, 8% or go down another 5, 6, 8%. So really you can't predict the bottoms, the highs and lows in the market. So, or in a stock. So really you just got to jump in, build a position, which you kind of like, or you like I like this price. Like I'm totally cool with buying the stock at 43.49. So this is fine. So it's cool. I'm not going to panic. It's whatever. Like I said, this is an OTC stock. So one thing, without getting into too much detail, they filed to get out of it, which is really exciting. I'll make a video tomorrow in more detail why this is exciting and stuff like that. But it is currently an OTC stock, which is why you can't currently buy in Robinhood. Management team, I love them. Management team is super, super, super important. I think it weighs like 50%. Like if I don't like your management team, I'm not going to invest in your company. I'm saying I need to like your balance sheet, your projections. There are so many sites you can go on and do your own research and see projection growth, what analysts think, industries, where you think things are going. Like, I am very bullish on EV, which is super overvalued right now. I'm super bullish on space, which is super speculative right now. I'm super bullish on the MJA space, which, yeah, I'm super bullish on that too. So those are like, oh, and the vegan meat stuff, like the Beyond Meat and Tattoo Chef. So I'm super bullish on those 4 like sectors. So that's really what I'm positioning this year. If you haven't watched my older videos, I'm really setting myself up good for the next 3 to 5 years, basically. So management team, A+. So where do I love this price? To be honest, like, when I bought this stock, it was almost in the love territory. I don't think it will ever go this low again, but if it goes to the $35 range, I love that. However, I even love it if it goes below 40. I love that too. I mean, this is really going to be the love spot if it gets down there. So if I add to my cost base to drive it down, I don't know when I would do it. I have to see what the market doing, what the news is doing, like in this particular stock and where I think everything's going. I did just make a video on a correction possibly coming in the stock market this year. So I have to keep that in mind and just be careful because I am very cash heavy right now. I think I have like close to 32% of cash on hand right now. So I want to stay at that unless if it gets down to $35, I'll double down for sure, like no doubt. But I don't think it's going to get that low. Could get to 40, easy. So I like that, 35, 40. I would still buy right now in 2021, I would still buy it like 50. 50 is a solid, like that, like it's going to get there. It almost reached 50 a couple weeks ago. So it's still a good evaluation. The market cap's still good. I really like this company for long term, even at $50. So that's why I jumped in really at 43. Because even if it runs up a little, if it goes to 50, let's just say the next 2-3 weeks, I honestly probably wouldn't buy more, me personally. But if you're just seeing this video or want to hop in a position, really anything between 35 and 50 is when I'd hop in, just to start your position. Like you know, right now, if you were to start your position, you actually have a better cost base than me right now. So, I mean, that's sweet. So definitely take advantage of it. Where I would hold, I'd probably get in the hold range around 55 to 60 range. I don't think I would buy. They're at that point, the market cap's kind of crazy for what they are. Now, if, let's just say, you know, these numbers could be like, as of the news right now, like it's not federally legal in the United States. They're still in the OTC. These are the numbers based on where this company is right now. So if I were to build a position and buy like I just did, these would be my numbers. Prediction, I always do a prediction in 2021. So my 2021 end prediction, so much can change because this industry is moving so fast, but I could see it being in like the $65 to $80 range by the end of 2021. And then obviously if they get out of the OTC and get on the NASDAQ, S&P 500, well, no, they wouldn't get in that, but the NASDAQ, let's just say they get in the Dow or something like that. I mean, this will just shoot up like crazy. If they get more locations and start going in different states, I'll make a video of all that stuff. But there's massive upside to this company, like stupid. And they have the money, they have the management team, they have the name brand. They're doing the right things like getting out of the OTC. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer to me. I mean, I don't know really why you wouldn't buy the stock. I mean, if you're a long-term investor, I'd buy it. Like, no doubt. I mean, I don't think anything bad's really going to come to it of this stock, to be honest. So with that said, I'm going to make another video tomorrow of why I'm so bullish on this stock and maybe get into a little more detail. It'll be a quick one probably, but I will... actually, I might post it later this week because I have another video plan that I think is more important for tomorrow, or Thursday. So yeah, just with that said, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that end screen button right there to subscribe, or not end screen, the little subscription button to subscribe. Let's try to get this channel to 100 subscribers by next Wednesday. Let's see if that's possible. So I think I'm at 55 right now. So yeah, just share it to a friend, tell them to check me out, and let's just make some money. So that's it. Peace.